Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have CUBOT P80 Pro and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. To do that, open Settings application, where we scroll down to About Phone selection, and there we must find our build number, which is one of the last I think option, or it is which is there, and now we must tap sometimes to active our developer mode. To open it, we must confirm all by our look screen, and there we go back and tap on our memory explanation on our system. There we have developer option, and now we tap on first memory, and there we can read about our available random access memory. That now our total memory is 8 GB, we used 31%, and we have available 5.6 GB. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.